Hello, welcome to another class with me. My name is Ming. Today we're going to look at another example on how to solve differential equation by using the integrating factor. Here's the integrating factor for this particular form, right? dy dx plus px times y equal to qx. And this is what we call the standard form. In the previous video, we looked at how to solve this particular differential equation. And in this video, we look at another example with an initial condition. So first we check whether this given differential equation is of the form of dy y dash plus px times y equal to qx. And obviously it is not, because y dash here, the coefficient is not 1, but it's x squared. So we need to divide both sides of the given differential equation, which I'm just going to use a short form dE by x squared. So in this case, we'll get y dash plus 2y over x equal to 2 sine x over x squared. And the integrating factor right now become e to the power of integrate 2 over x, because p now is just 2 over x dx. So that become e 2 natural log of x. There is no integrating constant written in the exponent, just as it is. Then this can be rewritten as e to the power of natural log of x squared, and this can be simplified to just x squared. So now we let's call this equation number 1 here. So multiply x squared to both sides of equation 1 of the differential equation 1. So we will now get x squared y dash plus 2xy equal to 2 sine x. Now, please pay attention very carefully about what is happening here. On the left-hand side, the derivative of x squared is 2x, and the derivative of y is y dash. So we take the two elements with the red dot below and write it here. X squared y is equal to 2 sine x. And right now what we do is that integrate both sides with respect to x. So integrate with respect to x equal to integrate with respect to x. So here we get x squared y for the left-hand side. For the right-hand side, it will become negative 2 cosine x plus c. And right now I can look for c by using x equal to pi, y equal to 0. So left-hand side will become pi squared times 0, which is 0, negative 2 of cosine pi plus c. Therefore, that becomes 0, and this is negative cosine pi is negative 1 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to negative 2. And our equation become y is equal to negative 2 cosine x minus 2 over x squared. Or you can simplify this into negative 2 bracket cosine x plus 1 over x squared. And that's it. Thank you very much.